In today's Toolbox Talk, we're walking through the essential steps to winterize your construction equipment and vehicles. First, let's talk about what happens before you even start your equipment. Every morning, conduct a thorough pre-start inspection. In cold weather, pay special attention to your hydraulic hoses. Cold temperatures make them brittle, and a burst hose can cause serious accidents. Run your hand along the hoses, checking for cracks, bulges, or signs of wear. Mark any suspicious areas and report them immediately. Now, onto antifreeze, the lifeblood of your equipment in winter. Check your antifreeze levels daily, and don't just top it off with water. Use a refractometer to test the freeze point. Your antifreeze mixture should protect your equipment down to at least -34 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're unsure, consult your equipment manual for the recommended mixture ratio. Your battery and electrical system need extra attention in cold weather. Cold starts put massive strain on batteries, and a failed battery can leave you stranded in dangerous conditions. Check battery terminals for corrosion, that white, crusty buildup that can prevent proper electrical contact. Clean them with a wire brush and battery cleaner. Test your battery's charge level before each shift. If it's showing less than 12.4 volts, it needs attention. Fuel systems are particularly vulnerable to cold weather problems. During your pre-start inspection, drain water separators daily. Water in your fuel system can freeze, leading to blocked fuel lines and sudden equipment failure. Consider using winter-grade fuel additives to prevent fuel gelling, and keep your fuel tank at least half full to minimize condensation. Pay special attention to your air brake system. Moisture in air brake lines can freeze, leading to brake failure. Drain air tanks daily, and make sure your air dryer is functioning properly. Listen for any unusual air leaks during your walk-around inspection. Finally, warm-up time is very important. Cold engines and hydraulic systems need time to reach operating temperature. Follow the manufacturer's recommended warm-up procedure, usually 5 to 10 minutes at low idle. Resist the urge to rush this process. Proper warm-up prevents premature wear and ensures all systems are functioning correctly. Remember, a few extra minutes spent on winterization can prevent hours of downtime and, more importantly, keep you and your crew safe. Document all your checks in your daily inspection log and never skip these vital steps, no matter how rushed you feel.
Are you fed up with sifting through binders trying to find the right toolbox talk? Safe Leo can put an end to that headache once and for all. You'll never ever have to comb through binders again. Now you can easily upload your own or choose from our comprehensive library of preloaded text-based and video-based toolbox talks. No more last-minute scrambling to pull something together. Even better, you can bulk schedule those talks across all your projects, ensuring they happen consistently without someone having to remember. When it's time for the safety meeting, just pull up the day's talk on your phone or tablet and deliver it to your crew. Taking attendance is a breeze too. Workers can digitally sign in right on the device, or you can snap a photo of the physical sign-in sheet. Either way, SafeLeo keeps everything documented and stored in one organized system. Safety should be the top priority on any job site. Now you can streamline your toolbox talk so you can focus on the information, not scrambling to find it. Click the link below to request a quick demo.